Hack for Western Mass in the last 2 years, you know that it's a group of coders, developers, creative types, and organizers who are getting together to take care of IT projects for local nonprofits who otherwise would not be able to afford the work. It's called a Civic Hackathon, in which the efforts of people who are normally working for multinational corporations or other kinds of deep IT work are now available to make connection with their community and be of service. This year we're going to do it differently than we did the last 2 years, where there's going to be some preparation between what happens before the hackathon, during, and then after, so that we make sure that the projects get done in ways that can be very well used by the nonprofits that become our partners. In this video, I'm going to explain how that's going to work this year and how you can help.
You can help. This is how.
The concept is that we're using project organizers to pull together teams in each locality, like Hadley or Leeds, and then project managers to get the information necessary so that the projects can be completed and then brought to testing and implementation so that the nonprofits can actually use them. Here's our process. Project organizers claim a town like Leeds or Hadley. Then they can either serve as project managers or find a project manager who's going to actually pull together the different project or projects that will be brought to the hackathon. They'll hold an initial meeting in March. We haven't got very much time left, folks, at a local Wi-Fi hotspot so people can use the internet. Then they'll hold a decision meeting in April. People from the March meeting will have gone out and found nonprofits with problems and brought those problems back to the group for a decision. Then in mid-May, they'll meet with the client, whichever nonprofit was chosen, or two, and get the information necessary so that during that 2-day huge sprint, a lot of good work gets done by the powerful people that are brought together. They'll attend the hackathon with their team. Of course, now instead of the 1 or 2 people you have from your locality, there'll be 10 people who've all come to join you based on the work you've done so far. And then after the hackathon, you will complete the project. You'll test it, get approval from the nonprofit, and help support its implementation. That's how it's going to go this year.
You can help. This is how.
So this is our sign-up form. Very simple. Your name, your email address, your phone number, and what town you're going to represent, the one that you live in. And then the important thing is to pick what role you'd like to play. Now, going towards the hackathon, we're looking for team members, but right now we need team organizers and project managers to help bring local teams together and then get those nonprofits to come up with challenges that they need done and make sure the challenges are done during the hackathon and after, so everybody gets a feeling of accomplishment. If you've received this message in March, it's because you were involved with the hackathon last year, and we hope you'll consider being a project organizer and/or project manager. If so, the information about what to do next is contained in the URL you're about to view. If you're new to Hackathon but you somehow get this message, still it would be wonderful to join us at this point. Otherwise, wait for notification from a project organizer, join a local team, and help get something started so that when you show up on the hackathon at June 6th in Springfield, everything is ready to do great work and make a big impact in your local community and Western Massachusetts. My name is Bram Moranis, and thank you very much for your time.